azimuth is 130. Wait, sorry, 170.
30, 30.
30, 30. You have
It's 170, not 10.
yeah, I see. So you have to type it properly. 170. Make sure you are typing properly. Okay. 170, 30, 30, and the distance is 45, 345. Right? And say okay. And so for point number 3, description nothing. Okay, so you have this information from 2 to 3. You have a 170, 30, 30, and 45, 555. This is a we calculated correctly, so there is no need to define anything. We have only placed line. So next line, which is required you some calculations, and we have this answer from your classmates. So I'm going to use his knowledge. Okay. So let's say from Coco, that's Coco, from point number 3, and when he said 75. 4200. This is a suggestion. So going this way and click enter. Distance is 42051. Okay, and enter for point number 9. I place it 9 and click enter. Description nothing. Enter, and I just place it regular to this line. So this is my information. By the way, it's asking you to coordinate. If you click on this line, it gives you the coordinates for each point. From 3 to 9, this is the point 3 coordinates. You have to answer this question. Point 9 coordinates. Everything is on that line. You click on the line. Same for this line. If I will click on this line, it will give you the 2 to 3 line coordinates. Okay? And distance, all information with direction. So you can get it. Now I wanted to check if these calculations correct. Going MS on the page and add the angle. So if I will click on this line, click on intersection, and click on this line, 85, 11, 30. So exactly what we have it here in the sketch, right? Diagram. This is what is initial given to us. Means this is everything is fine, everything is correct based on the requirement. Now it's asking you what is a bearing 3 to 4. So I have to draw a line from 3 to 4. What is it? What is a common I have to use? The best thing is use the inverse. Radial inverse. It will give you right information which you need. So let's say when MS Coco, and this is a tab which is it's called 2-point inverse. If you click on this, you can find it inside radial inverse. Click on that, and you will click on point number, which is starting point. It's asking 3 to 1 to 4, right? 3 to 4. Click first on the 3, so you will just zoom it in, click on 3, and zoom it out, and bring to the number 4, which is here. Click on that, and line is already there. You wanted to pick up the reading, so I use the A as usually, or B if you wish. You can use the B as well, not a problem. Put the B, and you have a reading here. So this is my direction from point number 3 to number 4 and distance. Okay? This is answering your question like this. So you will be able to answer and provide me with direction. Now you wanted to save it, make sure you save it, and you save as. Once you finish, in the same drawing it says DWG, and you wanted to see layout, you click on layout, you will be able to see what is your drawing looks like in PDF. 1 second. So once you have a PDF, you can save it as a PDF in Output. You're going back to Output, Export, and if you save it here, it's already PDF format. So you click on the save in the same folder, and it's asking you this. Let me move it outside. This here is save, because on the bottom has a button export on the Zoom, right? So I place it. If you wanted to see this reading in PDF, you open your everything you will be able to see here. This is in detail, right? Like that. Okay, so what is the question, guys? Some of you guys have questions.
How did they get?
How did I draw the line to 3 to 4? Okay, I'll show you back. Yes, another.
I couldn't draw it well.
Huh?
I don't know why it's coming like that.
Escape. Escape, remove everything. And do the line. Start over.
You probably did some button. Yes, Majid.
How did you get this?
Oh, I'll then show. So you wanted me. Okay, I'll show you line 3 to 4 first. Okay, let's see 3 to 4. I will show you again.
Which do you finish?
So you're going back to the your original rule. And I will give you this line. Okay, for you.
Yeah, I finished. Yeah, did you draw it? It's not showing it. Oh, I couldn't draw it well.
How to draw the line 3 to 4, guys? If you please pay attention, I won't be able to repeat again. We'll move on. So from 3 to 4. 3 to 4. So you're going to use Guys, if you don't need it, this that's fine to me. You can leave it. You can leave it or do your other things. If you want it, don't ask me how to do it again after.
This way, we created the code like possible.
I'll give you time to practice. Okay, you can practice the next exercise if you wish, but I'm showing for students who want it. Okay, going back to my MS Cobra and find the radial inverse here. And the radial inverse gives you the opportunity to draw line from 3 to 4. Okay. Highlight 4 and line is there. You assign on the radial, that's it. Did I answer? What if you want to know how many?
Yes, yes, otherwise. 3 to 9.
Don't forget to save. And don't forget to take a look and see if everything is fine. Now, how do you get this ready? Is any volunteer to help me to how to find this, guys? Any volunteer how to find this azimuth? Can you come here? You know already. Come show me how you got 75 to 42. He's gonna explain. How did they find Yes. Sorry, plus 8.
Yeah, yeah, bro. That's bro. Yeah, but like, problem is.
You convert this line to reverse. Now he's trying to find 330.
Bro, you gotta find this. You don't find that. You cannot find it.
Yeah.
Just a little bit. You have to have the
Adding this.
And you find it 75, 42. You understand this? No? Okay, I'll explain. Okay, look at this.
Diyor Savaş. Gelsene abi ya.
Plus is well, let's say
Why don't we do
let's say line 9 and 4 Any other questions, guys, for this? All is good? Thank you for your time. They gave the correct answer for this, and we're able to close this. Any questions? Question?
Yeah, I couldn't draw the...
Huh? Start over with this.
Okay.
Put the inputs.
One
But you need, okay, enter from point 1, okay?
Yeah.
Click OK.
And then...
Yes. Yes.
And then 2, right?
Yes.
And then...
Nothing else. Okay. Restart is completely full. Well, if something came out, restart is software again and start over. Close that one and start over.
I will try because I enjoyed everything.
Yeah. Run again and start over. Okay? Save it as a different file. Once you start it, save it as add this first. Add this first and save it as a different file name. Okay? Whatever you save. Yeah. Guys, you have a question or no?
700, right?
You use the sound. You have a question or we're good?
No,
Huh? We are practicing. We are going for the next exercise right now, number 5. Yes. Try to first you do the points first. Go to the go 3 digits. Yeah, go to 3 digits. Change for 3. Change for 3.
Okay? Now go to the fourth first line. Okay. Zoom in. Enter. Sorry. Enter. Oh yeah, you have it. Now it's okay. Yeah. You can continue. You just slowly go, little bit. Don't rush. Sometimes you're typing and pressing something into like that. Okay. Guys, everything is fine or no with you guys? I'm going to explain number 5 equation right now. Everybody happy with number 4?
Yes, yes, thank you.
Okay, let's work on the number 5. Are you okay with number 4? By the way, once you define this, it's asking you in a question, asking you bearing. Remember we have 343 something. That was azimuth. If you answer me in azimuth, it's considered wrong. Remember this? In this question, we plot everything in azimuth. Remember this? Here. This is the azimuth value. Don't give me the azimuth value. Give me the bearings because it's asking you bearing. So how to get the bearing on this line? This is an azimuth. But question asking you bearing 3 to 4. What would be azimuth bearings? Can you do that? What you have to do? 360 minus that value give you the bearings. But make sure you have a direction. Yes, sir. 360. You understand this, guys? 360 minus this, but what would be direction? Anyone? Anyone? What would be direction for that bearing? From 3 to 4. What would be direction for that line in bearings?
For the bearings,
Northwest.
northwest.
So this is a always keep in mind, guys. Don't confuse. If you do differently, if you give me the different direction, I will consider this wrong. This is a northeast.
I think it will
This
be
is a southeast. This is a southwest. This is a northwest. So if it's false, in a 300 something, 343, 43, 46, 35, this is a false in the northwest quadrant. So azimuth would be this one on the angle. Sorry, bearings. This is an azimuth. Azimuth is all the way this, bearing of this. So 360 minus this give you the, some bearings, but it would be northwest.
yeah, 16.22.
Whatever it comes, right? This is the correct answer. If you answer this, I would consider it as wrong because I asked bearings, right? Bearings is always from 0 to 90 and comes with letter north, south, east, or west, something like that. Azimuth, on the other hand, comes from the 0 to 360. You understand this? This is important. If you do mistake with the bearings and tell me bearings is equal 343 degrees, something, that's not correct. Okay? Is that clear for you guys? Okay, let's move on to the next exercise, which is 1.5. And we will take a break after, okay? or you want to create now? So if you want to create new one, create new one from the plus sign, and this is a drawing 2, and I have to call as my exercise, okay, 1.5. Now, this exercise has a metric system as well, so I'm switch from metric as you can do 800 this time. And do the 60 for this. And you need to create
Mine doesn't open this page.
Huh?
When I write notification, it doesn't open this page. I don't know why.
Should. You do something wrong. Try it several times. I want to see the. I wanted to remove one thing, 1 second. Okay, I'm gonna do one thing. So once I do this, you will see this okay. But if you have a problem with 6,
I restarted that.
you
So,
did?
yeah,
If you type it notification.
It
and
didn't
it's
work.
New, it should be working.
I restarted that.
Oh, you did?
Yeah,
But
no.
if you type it the notification on the bottom and say new or change, it will come pop up with new. Try several times. Maybe it's you know,
I just
sometimes when
refreshed
you're
that.
working, huh?
I
Yeah,
just
if you
refreshed
do fresh, it's fine.
Yeah.
So this one is an exercise number 1.5. So we are working on this. And you click OK, it says, and change for the service once again from the gear to distances, change for 3. Okay. Now in this exercise,
Sorry, Professor. For the scale factor, what did you put? 800? And for text size 60?
yes, you can play that. It's not big deal. It's not so much. You have to play a little bit and see how the drawing would look like. Now in this exercise, see guys, either I talk or you talk. Okay, I will wait. Guys, if you won't continue talking, I will wait until you
I will
finish.
take chocolate.
If you need talking, you can go outside and talk over there.
The PC went off all of a sudden with the software and everything.
Huh?
It turned off.
What?
The PC turned off out of nowhere.
Who is out of normal?
The PC turned off out of nowhere.
Go to your PC. There is bunches of PC available. If you want to talk to him, take him out and talk. We are okay with this because the other group wants to work. If you needed to talk, we say, can you move to the other side? And do whatever you need. If you don't need it, you can go out. You are discussing him with PC right now about the not working? After you finish your test, we will discuss about this. I will see how it will be your reaction. Anyway. Now, for this exercise, Remember you said 860, I said it as this.
Yeah.
Point rotation uncheck, refresh, and make sure the distance is in the 3 decimal places. That's okay. And now this exercise requires you to use another button. It's called traverse ribbon. If you go to traverse and you have this ribbon, you see this one? Existing point traverse new. Don't use it all. New. Okay? And you say this is a pop-ups menu. This create a new traverse database file and blah blah blah. You click OK, new file. And you save it in the same folder with a different extension, which is a TRV. Okay? Automatically by default. You save it, and it's asking you description. You don't have any description, you don't need anything, even the crew, a number, something like that. You cancel this. And it's now on the bottom, you see on dialog, it says, please or enter the setup point. In this exercise, you can use the 27. If you go back to your drawing, you can use 27 or you can use the 39, doesn't matter right now. Let's use the 27, okay? So I'll put it 27 and I press enter. In this time, it's asking you please enter now and press any key. So I press enter again and it's asking for editing. Now you have to incorporate the coordinates which is given to you for 27 is this. Okay, you have to put inside in that page. So northing is 1,521. Easting is 2004.116. You're done with point 27. Okay, you click OK, and it's asking you backside direction. Backside direction for this exercise would be 39. If you start from 39, backside direction would be 27, the reverse. But in this case, you start from 27, backside direction is 39. And this is the coordinates for point 39. Okay? So it's asking backside direction, you put the 39, click OK, press enter key, any key. Now it's asking northing and easting for 39. We also have this because we have this exercise and it's given to you. Right? So you're going back and place the numbers. 131, 482, and then easting is 2003 and 891. Click OK. And now it's asking you escape, exit setup, enter range. So I want to enter range because I want to continue. So I place 27 dot 39. All right, and I click enter. And in this case, escape and go to the automatically go to the active traverse edit. You will see the data here right away, whatever you plot. So you have a points 27, 39. You have an angle already assigned to you between 2 points. So it gives you the direction, which one it's heading. From 39 to 39 is 14 degrees, 14 minutes, 59 seconds. And distance as well. All is here already. So you know that if you minimize this and if you wanted to see this is 2 points, I already have directions from 27 and 39, which is in my active editor here. So yeah, basically you can just take it out and read it. Or you can do another thing. You can go MS Pogo and use radial inverse features and place it on 27, place it on 39, and draw this line. So this is your first line, which is you draw with those data. 30, 961, and this is your direction from this line to that line. You understand this? It was 14 degrees, 59 something seconds, right? Initially it's given. If you go to the editor, it will give you that. Let me see. One second, I'll show you. In the traverse. So in that ribbon, it shows exactly what is your rating for that directions. Okay. So if you click on that, it's right here, right now. This is what is available for you, and take a look and see 1459. This is your angle. This is the same as 339. Okay, if you wanted to see 1459, and this is the same, 30 meter 961. This is azimuth. The one which is 1459 is the same, but it's varying from this side. From the vertical line is 14 degrees 59 seconds. 14 minutes, sorry, 59 seconds. Okay, so you have all information. Now you continue with this, and you wanted to next one you have to plot the two lines, which is 3940 and 2740, because you wanted to create a drawing, which is given to you like this. But you need to know the angles. You have to angle. In this case, you have an angle from this and that, but you don't have the direction. You need to know exactly what is direction. What you can do, you have to rework again. This angle is given to you as what? 60 degrees, 10 minutes. This angle is given to you as a 63 degrees, 20 minutes. This distance is a 30,961 meters, and azimuth is a 359. 4501. Okay, so can you calculate direction? Can you calculate direction from this point 39? I need this direction. This is homework. I need this direction 3940. And I need this direction. 27, 40, and 39, 40. Can you do that? You have internal angle. You have azimuth, which is we find it. This is a 45. Can you calculate this and this? I know you know, but don't say anything, okay? Can you do that? 5 minutes. 5 minutes. I need direction. I wanted to get to point 40 with your direction. Only direction. Don't worry about distance. Mujib, try to work on this. This is a 60 degrees, 10 minutes. You guys can work as well. And this 63.20. I need direction from 27 to 40 and 39.40. So here, can you do that? Yeah. Okay, try it. What are you doing right now? Number 4? You working on number 4? Yes. Huh? Come here. Write it down. What would be direction here? This direction and this, and we'll plot and we'll see. No, come here, come here. Write it down here. What is direction of this? Yes. Thank you. And we're going to check if he is correct or not.
one is 150, 115.4401, another one. Here, here. 2000. This is angle 6320. This is angle, but this is not straight vertical line. Imagine, this is on incline. This is 3 something. Are you sure this is the angle you wanted to use for direction? Are you sure? Okay, let's double check. Yeah, don't worry, don't worry. It's okay. Let's double check his calculation and see if he's okay and sending us to right direction. So we have some information and we want to use this. So from 39, let's go to the back of the column. From 39, I'm heading to 40. 115.54, right? 115.54 and 63.20. 115.54. So let's put it 115. How much is 115 what?
54.
54? Like this?
Yeah. And 01.
01?
Yeah, for the second.
Oh, no, that's the first one.
Okay.
I press enter. So we don't know exactly what the distance. We assign random distance. Let's say we have assigned 40 centimeters or 40 meters. Let's say for now. Double check, okay? When it's intersect, we'll then do the trick. Okay, click on this, and I want it to solve for point 40. Okay, 40. We want to see if this angle is correct. I want to make sure this angle is a 60. I want to check if its angle is 60 degrees 10 minutes. Okay?
Okay.
Can we do that? At 39, we need to know if it's exactly the angle 60 10. If it's not, then he gave us wrong values. So double check. Okay, go to the Mesanate, auto angle. Where is this operator? Why he said he was wrong direction? Huh? You see what's happened here? You're given 60 degrees 10 minutes. Why it's 63.51? You want to recalculate? Please recalculate. This is the wrong answer. So this is the incorrect direction. You understand this? Mujib, can you do that?
Sorry, I'm doing it.
Okay, do it. He gave us this, and it's not correct. And the same way he gave us 63.20, which is not correct, because this line is 359.4501, it's not vertical. And he gave us the line which is a 63 with this.
Can I just ask him, because this one was 60?
Huh?
The 39. This was 60 here?
This is 60 degrees 10 minutes. 60 10.
And this one was?
63.20. 20.
359.
359. It's the azimuth 359.4501.
I don't think we need to define this one.
You need that. This is the input. You have to use that one to define that line because these two lines connected. Okay, who else can do that? Where is the most? Come here. Can you do that? Huh? Who is the most desirable person who wants to give me the hands? Where's that my man? Can you do that? Can you do that? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Give me the direction for this line instead of this. This is wrong. Okay? I delete this. So I
I need line from 39 to 40. What is the which direction? Okay, I will take 5 minutes break if we need it. Okay, 5 minutes break and then come back and just. Line 3940 and line 2740. If someone give me direction, one mark bonus. Even 2 marks bonus. I agree with that. 2 marks bonus for these 2 lines if you give me right directions. Whoever first get the 2 marks. Why it takes too long, guys? You should know this by heart always. You won't be able to do the microsurvey cat test if you take this one for 15 minutes to solve it. It's only 2 minutes to solve this problem. You have 1 hour 30 minutes for microsurvey cat and you have solved 5 problems. This is the simplest one. Okay guys, I cannot wait until the end of the class. Let's do it this. I'll show you here, okay? One more time and you will be fine. But you need to review all this material. For CC 01. This is angle is given 60-10. This is the 359.45.01. So what is the reverse of this angle?
79.
Minus 180. Minus this, right? You know this. Why you didn't come? You are shy. So 60 degrees, 10 minutes. This is direction for this line. Azimuth. What about this? If I have 359, which is this way, if I will add this to this, what would my answer? 2, 5, and 6 plus 1, 2, 4, and this is a 20, 45, 65, 0, 0. So 0.01. This would be my
423.
this, but you have to reduce by 360, and this 65 becomes 0.5. This is 423 minus 360, 0.1, 3, 6, 0.5, 0.1. You gave me one? You gave me this?
Yeah, I got this number.
You gave me this. Yes, you gave me 20. You sent me for 15 minutes wrong direction. Instead of going to the, what is it called? Markham or whatever is the city. You sent me reversed a little bit off from that. So this 630501. You understand? You got the same answer?
No, sir, I'm just kidding.
So let's plot this and see what happens. No. Huh? Wait, yes. So you know now how to do that, right?
No.
Okay, let's plot this. So if I'm going to 39 degrees, sorry, 39.39 to 40, I have a 190. And then the from 0.39 into, and I wanted to place 119, 35, 01. That's my direction and my assign the distance, because I don't know exactly when it's intersect, when I can do the trim, I can extend it a bit more and then we'll do the trim. So I'm going to get the number 40 and it will give me this. So if I will check this angle, which is given to me, like the angle, 601000. Is that correct? That's correct, right? Now, next line, this 27, going back to the corridor, if I will go from 27, and I'm heading to this, but at some point intersect, so I have a reading for this 63, sorry, from 27, enter 630501, and I assign 40 or 45, doesn't matter, let's do 45 meters, and heading to point 28, and see where it intersect. So this is my actually reading for this exercise, but I have to cut it off in 40 because I don't need the rest, right? So basically, I'm going to use a trim and adjust the distance. I need the exact distance. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the I'm going to use the home button here, and there is options sometimes you don't see it, but if you type the trim, on command line, it comes to you right away. So you have a trim, click on that, and ask you enter the entity you want to trim. So I want to show this line, I click on this, enter, and then click on second line, it's cutting off the line itself and make sure this is a exactly distance. So this is 6305. This is my coordinates for 2 points, and I need to adjust this because this one is was a distance exactly. Let me see, distance is 32,208. This is my exact distance to that point. This is section point. I have to change this as a 32. Let's move this out 32,208. And this one is my exact distance. I have to remove X. I don't know why it's here. This is what be my values for distance, and this is a value for the values. So I remove this extra. So this is exactly what I am expecting here. Now check with this angle. It should be 63 at 20. Okay?
Yes or no? Ajit, is that correct? So this is what you need, and you have to trim this line as well because I don't need this, because this is excessive line, and I will cut it off with a trim again. Go to the trim. Click on trim. Select this line. Click enter and select this, and this is cutting off. You can redraw again because you know now exactly what's happening with this line. This value 33,180, I assigned 40 meters. Now it's 33,80 when it's connected to the other line, so intersection of that. So I have to change a little bit this play with this. And this value, I don't know, it's comes with this sometimes Texas, I don't know why. But I have to ask and maybe I have to do updates. Sometimes it just comes with a. So this is what 33. 180, I believe. Yes, 180. That's it. Okay, you have everything is done is here, all is correct. You can redraw, you can delete this. You don't need this as well. So the 4 is here, so basically you can redraw one of the line, it will come to exactly before. Let's redraw this line. So let's go from 39. Everything was the same, but you have to redraw this one. This is what you need to do with this type of exercise. When you have given the coordinate, but no distances and no directions. Only one direction you can define through the through those short steps when you're creating the points and assign the coordinates. Okay, so you can save it. You can see the layout as well. Somewhere here, like this. Make sure you save it, and don't forget to save, otherwise it will disappear. Any questions for this, guys? I will give you this exercise on the test. Can you do that? Huh? Can you do that? On exercise. Yes or no?
I have a question. Could you please?
What?
Can you say out like 27, 30, and we draw?
This one?
Yes.
You want me to redraw?
Yes.
To show again? You start over? Okay. What else?
The same question.
You want
I
me
lost you.
to start over? You will start talking, and I will start explaining.
I wasn't.
I'm kidding. Okay.
I
Let's
just
take
felt behind
5 minutes break, and then we'll do that again. Okay?
Did you record?